Baon ng mga anak ko, guys. Avocado ang palaman.
Wish you happy married life. 8 years finished, guys. See, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 means 8 years finished. Now 9th year we are entering. Okay, soon. You should always wear the ID. Today I am on leave because of the anniversary. I have a special gift for my wife. It is going to reach. Hopefully today it will reach. I will check. If it is, if reach today, it's very good, very nice. So the day will be super duper. Sian, get ready. Showing tomorrow only. Let's see. Maybe after some time it may change. Happy anniversary, my dear.
Hello everyone, my name is Chanvi and I'm going to school. Hello guys. Oh no, I have to go. Bye.
Bye, anak. Love you.
Hi, this is my mother blog, Mr. Cardi.
Mrs. Napakaganda ko naman. Very pa sweet lang, very pa cute. First question of the day. So, una kong makita ay magsuklay ka muna bago kayo mag-date. Yes po, kakasuklay lang po. Tapos na po. Yung nakita niyo po sa video, labas lang yun ng bahay. And, pinusod ko lang yung buhok ko, tapos namalengke kami. Tapos, yung kinakainan naming restaurant sa labas ng bahay, nag-almusal na rin kami. Yun po, nakapagsuklay na po ako. Question number 2. Saan kayo nagkakilala ng husband mo? Ano nagustuhan nyo sa isa't isa? So, saan kami nagkakilala? Sa WeChat. Ano siya guys? App siya na sinishake. Ginagano siya oh. Sinishake siya. Tapos, dapat meron kang kasabayan na nagsishake. Tapos, papasok yung yung account nyo sa isa't isa, magmamatch kayo. So, doon kami nagkakilala ng mister ko. Yung WeChat, di ko yun alam. Pero, meron akong best friend sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya sa akin, Tol, sobrang busy mo naman sa buhay. Mag-enjoy ka naman, mag-jowa ka naman, ganon. Makipag-chat ka sa mga foreigner. So, doon ko na-discover yung WeChat kasi yun yung ginagamit niya noon. Pero ngayon, sabi, wala na daw ang WeChat. Di ako sure. Anong nagustuhan nyo sa isa't isa? Una, nang makita ko si Mister, nakaganto kasi yung picture niya, guys. Tapos, wala siyang damit sa pang-itaas. Tapos, feeling ko kaagad sa kanya, manyakis. Kasi daw, nung time na yon, super proud daw siya sa sarili niya. Kasi nga, nag-gym siya, tapos maganda daw yung katawan niya. Kaya, pinapakita daw niya talaga. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin nun, ganun siyang tao. Tapos, hindi ko kagad siya nagustuhan dahil feeling ko nga sa kanya nakakatakot. Ganun yung pakiramdam. Nagustuhan ko na lang talaga siya guys dahil consistent siya na mag-message every morning, every night, every afternoon. Nagtatanong, kamusta ka? Anong ginagawa mo? Okay ka lang ba? Kumain ka na ba? I love you. Ganon. So, love you na. Sobrang sweet niya at saka parang maalalahanin. Ayun. Tapos bukod doon, talagang ipinaglaban niya na gusto niya ako at gusto niya ako mapakasalan at gusto niya akong maging asawa. So, pinatunayan niya na hindi lahat ng lalaki sa iniisip ko ay ganun. So, yun. Tapos, si Mister, tatanungin ko kasi may kausap pa siya eh. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung kung sino yung mga nagtanong. Nakalimutan ko kasi sabihin yung pangalan.
उससे बात करेगा और किसी से बात नहीं करना है।
डन सर, डन। थैंक यू।
जी समझे ना?
समझ गया।
उसी से डायरेक्ट बात करेगा तो वो डेप्यूटी सीईओ को बोल देगा।
समझ गया।
Akala niya mag-picture kami guys.
सब लोग सेमिनार में पूरा घेर लेंगे। ठीक है। थोड़ा कम तुरंत। बढ़िया ओके सर।
Today, our date is, there's lots of questions about us. So we need to answer that. Okay? Okay.
First we will go now.
Yeah, we'll go. While going, I'll ask you also.
Yeah.
Okay, the first question is, how we met, how we connect, and what you like from me.
Yeah. That time I was in the work. It's like almost 12 hours duty every day I was doing. It's like
Night or day?
day only. So much tired duties and so much work. So one of my friend is having one friend from I think Malaysia or somewhere. That WeChat he was using. That time he was so much close to that one girl. They became very much close. Then everyone started using WeChat.
Nainggit siya.
Then I also used, then I met her. So I like from her is the what photo she put. She don't have a hairs.
Hey, short hair like
Short
this,
hair,
like
yeah,
this
short
hair.
hair. Short
Like
hair.
a boy hair only.
Boy hair only, but the face is very silent and it's like very sweet. It's like love at first sight. So it's happened with me.
Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig.
Parang uulan pa. Parang wala akong cravings. Happy kasi ako eh. Yung cravings ko masaya lang ng puso ko. Masaya. Parang busog na ako. Sabi ko sa mister ko, gusto ko pumunta ng Mall of Asia. Doon kami magdi-date. Maganda kasi doon, guys. Tapos feeling ko hindi siya matao ngayon. Kaya lang malayo. Malilate kami ng sundo kay Susmita. Kailangan namin siyang sunduin ng 12:30. Anong oras na ngayon? Parang nasa 10:30 na ata. Ano bang masarap kainin, guys? Here we go. Ting-a-ning-a-ning. What is the normal price of the hotel here in India? Like you're always going for, no?
Maybe 2,500, 3,000, 3,500. That
Like
is normal.
budget hotel is there, like
Budget hotel is there. 1,000, 1,500, 2,000.
it's nice.
500 also there.
500 also there. It is nice.
500 is not that much nice, but 1,000, 1,500 is nice. So the budgetary hotel is 1,000 to 1,500. That is budgetary hotel.
Which company? What hotel name?
There is lots of hotels, not company.
But clean only, na? Clean.
Yeah, clean hotel. But I feel that 2,000 rupees, if you go, it will be very nice. They will give including breakfast.
Okay.
Up to 2,000.
After 2000.
Up to 2,000 you have to
Up
go.
to 2000.
So, whenever I book personally, I will check the reviews.
Review.
There is lots of apps to book the hotel. Make my trip, go IBO, there is lots of apps. These apps,
It will help.
whatever the hotel you like, you just go that hotel and check the review. So this review will helpful when you book the hotel.
Yeah. Indian food is good taste or delicious for you. I think this question is for me only.
For you only. It's delicious only, if you ask me. And I want my child also to eat Indian food only.
You don't like Filipino food?
Filipino food also eat, but most of the time that breakfast and all. I want them to eat Indian breakfast.
Why not Filipino?
Filipino always bread no.
Okay, and then
Bread, soup,
fried rice.
then egg. This egg is good, but most of time bread only.
Yeah.
So if you go to Indian food, all are different type. Bonda, buns, dosa,
Chapati.
chapati, puri.
Okay, then.
So many breakfast.
So many?
So many type of breakfast.
May bagong bukas na restaurant dito guys sa Malesuaram. Yun yung gustong puntahan ng mister ko. Sa akin, sakto lang kasi nga gusto ko nga sa Mall of Asia sana. Kaya lang kasi malayo. So baka malate kami ng sundo kay Mita. Mapagalitan kami ng teacher. Oh, this restaurant. Bengaluru Cafe. Oh, nice yung name ah. May dala akong suklay guys. Oh. Siyempre dapat kailangan maganda tayo sa date ko, di ba?
July month is always lucky month for me. Since our marriage month, so this July month is lucky month for us.
How is it? Which one is nice? The Rameshwaram or this one? Rameshwaram.
You try?
Where?
Yeah.
Yung sumunod na tanong, kung masarap ba ang Indian food? Yes po, napakasarap. Pero karamihan ng pagkain nga nila maanghang. Pero hindi naman sobrang anghang. May mga lugar dito na hindi ganun kaanghang. Pero nung bago pa lang ako dito sa India, ang gusto ko lang na pagkain dito yung gobi manchurian na paborito ko. Pero habang tumatagal, na-appreciate ko na yung pagkain nila. Kaso yung iba nga lang, sobrang maanghang. Pero karamihan naman, kaya mo naman siyang kainin. Yes po, masarap po ang food sa India. Karamihan nga ng pagkain dito guys, pakiramdam ko lang, ang masarap na pagkain ha, sa South. Karamihan ng masarap na pagkain. Next question. Our house now is our own house or rental house?
Own house.
Let's go.
Our house is own house.
Yes po, own house na po namin yung bahay namin. Dati po kami nangungupahan. Pero, bumili po kami ng sarili naming bahay. Apartment po yun. Next question.
Me is 36. She is 32.
Eh, 36. You're 50 na. Yeah, my husband is 36. And I'm, what is my age? Not 32. 22.
Hey.
Okay guys, I'm 32 and my husband is 36. Next question.
Can I bring my tea?
Nag-expect ba kayo magkaroon ng anak na lalaki? Disappoint ba siya o pamilya niya na puro babae anak niyo?
Yeah, when Mita is born, I was so much expecting this will be
Not
the boy.
only Mita, Hanyo also. He was expecting Hanyo na.
In both cases, I was expecting a boy child. But the first one, if it is boy also okay, girl also okay. But second one, when Mita, I was thinking at least this time boy. No, I am not disappointed. Actually, in fact, I am the luckiest person. Who is having girl child? They are the very luckiest person.
Nag-expect talaga ako kay Sian pa lang. So kay Sian pa lang talaga nag-expect na ako na lalaki ang aking magiging anak. Pero hindi talaga binibigay sa akin na ang anak ko ay lalaki. Hanggang sa na-realize ko na yun talaga yung para sa akin. Sila talaga ay blessing para sa akin. Dahil yun yung bigay sa akin ng Panginoon, di ba? Kasi alam nyo guys, meron kasi akong karanasan ng bata ako na pakiramdam ko. Ayokong sana na maging anak ko ay babae. Ayokong mag-anak ng babae kasi baka mangyari yung nangyari sa akin sa mga anak ko. Ganun yung pakiramdam. Pero, na-realize ko din na kaya siguro sa akin ibinigay ito kasi ito talaga yung blessing ko. Ito yung bigay ng Panginoon na blessing para sa akin. Araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos guys, lagi kong pinagdadasal ang mga anak ko na lagi silang maging safe hanggang sa pagtanda nila. Next question tayo guys. Pumayat po kayo. Salamat po. Kung feeling nyo pumayat ako, baka sa camera lang. Pero ngayon, nagbabawas na kasi ako ng sobra sa kain. Kasi meron akong guys minsan kapag stress ako sa buhay ko, lumalakas akong kumain. Parang wala akong pakialam may time akong ganun pag stress ako. Pero ngayon, hanggat maaari, kinukontrol ko talaga. Kaya ko naman siyang kontrolin. Pero may time nga na ganun. Andyan na ba uli, mama mo? Kailan siya dumating? Mama ko ay dumating nung December pa. Ang tagal na, mga ilang buwan na. Wow! Ngayong araw din guys, ay birthday ni Yuki. Yung pamangkin ng mister ko. Sabi ng mister ko, ano ba daw iririgalo namin? Sabi ko, mahilig siyang mag-drawing. So ito, magugustuhan niya to. Tapos ito, coloring book. Sketchbook. Sketchbook ba to? Drawing book din. The question is your family disappointed? Because here in India, most of people here are expecting boy child, no?
So when Sami born, we don't have any problem. If it is girl or boy, it's okay. But when Meeta born, I have an expectation that it should be a boy.
Meeta is listening.
Then when I informed my mom, again it's a girl child only. She said that is okay. Girls are lucky. They are Lakshmi for your home. It's nice for your home, and you will be more lucky. So now enough. Childs are enough. You no need to make more child now. It's enough. If you want have a chance to remove this one, you can remove only. So that's why I decided immediately. Okay, we will not make any other child. It's enough. Finish. All fights she want to divorce. There is no reason. Let's divorce. She's like that only. But again she's like okay. It's like a heat of the moment it will come. But it's not by heart. But I never said like this. Because I always think for the kids, not for myself.
Okay, when we was staying in the native, away na yun guys. Yung hindi ko kayang magstay sa probinsya nila kasi nga hindi ako komportable. Tapos yung kultura nila, tradisyon nila, sabi ko ay parang hindi ako karapat-dapat dito na nandito ako or dito ako tumira. Pero yung love ko sa kanya, hindi yung nawawala. Talagang hindi lang talaga ako komportable na nasa bahay ako ng aking biyanan. At yung kultura na gusto nilang gawin ko. Yung aking biyanan is napaka-tradisyon na tao ba. So yun yung fight. And yung second na fight,
all fights we are doing. It's husband and wife, it's a common fights.
pero naayos naman namin. The second is, you're cheating on me.
Yeah, it's always telling.
Oh, you're cheating on me.
She's always telling this, cheating. But the reality is, she want to reconfirm whether he's cheating or not.
No, not cheating, lying to me. You remember you went to Mumbai, you told that you're sleeping already.
One day you told.
Yung pangalawang away guys, yung nagsinungaling siya sa akin sa Mumbai. Sabi niya sa akin, natutulog na daw siya. Pero, hindi naman pala. Malakas kasi ako makakakutob.
Next question.
Wait! Search ako ng yung katrabaho niya ba? Nakasama niya ng araw na yun.
Not only this, she always searching everything, then calling my friends, then calling my boss also sometimes. They're all asking, your wife called me.
Wait! Not
One time my boss you called.
No, I not told that your wife.
Sister.
Yes.
He said sister called you. Called me.
I said to your friend or your colleague, I said, hello, this is Nitin's sister. I'm worried for my brother. Where is my brother now? No, don't worry to your brother. He's with me here. We are drinking only one peg. Now, after I get to know, I stop talking to you. Okay, he's lying to me. Sa inyong mag-asawa, kapag merong isang nagsisinungaling, hindi magiging maganda ang daloy ng relasyon nyo. So, I told him, let's cut this relationship. I'm already decided, I don't like. Till now, you're lying.
No, I'm not lying. I'm telling the truth.
So, yun ang dahilan. Sometimes you feel that I want to divorce this girl. She's also annoying.
Because it is not about divorce. It is about the kids' future. It may be you are now annoy. After 2 days or 3 days, your love will become again. So that the annoy is not permanent, it's a temporary. So you should not take a past decision. You
Yeah.
should think.
There's no burger in India.
So many burgers are there in India.
Yeah. Which burger you like? McDo burger, KFC burger.
McDo burger, veg I like McDo, non-veg I like KFC.
Oh. What is our breakfast?
Our breakfast most of the time chapati,
Dosa.
dosa, bread, omelette, sometimes fried rice, sometimes the big dosas and puri sometimes, buns, Mangalore buns sometimes.
Puri.
Yeah. So we eat all types of breakfast. It's most of the time Indian breakfast,
Yeah.
sometimes Filipino.
Yeah. Very rare.
Very rare Filipino we
Yeah.
eat.
Because most of us are liking Indian food breakfast.
Indian food breakfast, and she like to cook Indian
Yeah,
breakfast.
because it's healthy for kids, no?
Yeah, especially it's made by most of the breakfast made by wheat.
Buti, ang mama mo parating nandyan sa inyo. Tapos, hindi ba nagagalit ang asawa mo sa kanya? Here?
No, I'm not annoying for she's here. I'm the one who signed, who give the consent letter, that sponsorship letter, everything, to carry her here, because we were thinking she's alone and she's working alone there. So we want her to enjoy India and stay with the kids, grandchildren. This is the decision of we both. It is not like she only decide. It's we both decide and carry her here. I am not annoyed for this. We are okay for this. I mean, we only decide and she's here. But annoy sometimes it is not because of she's here. It is because of the home. Like sometimes up and downs will be there.
Yeah.
Because some things which one I not like or which she also not like. So we always talk. Our home is like we decided everything. There is a rules. These rules we don't want to break. We stick on the rules which we made.
Yeah.
So
Like
if someone don't want to follow, then the annoy will come. The things will happen. But it's normal. It's like 1 or 2 hours. Then after that everything will be okay.
But we are not scolding Mama Mi.
We are not scolding.
But Mama Mi...
Maybe Mama Mi scold. We not scold.
Mrs. Carby, nagagalit din po ba ang mister nyo? Anong sikreto nyo para habang tumatagal lalo kayong napapamahal sa isa't isa?
Which one I don't like? I'm the person I will openly tell everything. I don't keep in my heart.
Yeah.
I openly tell him. So
Like,
I don't like.
Para siyang prangkang lalaki ba?
I don't like that. I will openly tell. Not only her. I will tell Mama Mi also. I will tell Sian. I will tell Sanvi. I will tell Mita also.
Everyone.
I don't like that. If your love is not by heart, and when you fight, the relationship will be
What?
break.
Again? Again?
If you are not loving by heart, if you are really not loving, whenever you fight that person, that relationship will be break.
If you're not loving.
So obviously, the relationship will be break.
Mm.
So our case, we are loving each other. We are okay.
We are concerned.
Our thinkings is matching. Our goal is same. We are thinking about the kids' future. So whenever the fight is happen, whenever anything is happens, so we always be calm and we always think about the
Talk about
the problem and
solve that
try to
problem.
solve. And if not get solved, we always pray to the God and make it happen.
Yeah.
So that is why we are okay.
Yeah. That's my answer too. Okay, next.
I am not seeing all these things. Your hair is messy, but I always check the dress. I always check not your hair, your face, or your body color, nothing. I always check the dress. Yes or no?
Yes.
That day she went with the ground. She went there outside. I
What
said,
ground?
this one nighty.
Nighty
I
dress.
said you should.
You-
The
that's
nighty,
fair.
the nighty is for only night sleeping. She went outside there. This is only my problem.
I hope all the husband like you.
Don't say like that. I hope all the husband like me, because everyone have their own thinking, own belief, own style. So maybe you are finding something in me. So if you closely watch your husband, he is also nice.
Yes.
But you should find that.
Yeah, you should appreciate that
Yeah,
also.
most of the case we are searching the God, but God is here only. You are not finding the God.
Yeah.
That's
Me,
what.
I'm always appreciating my husband. Like, whenever I see him, like, why you're so handsome naman?
Like that. You also say like this to your husband. He will be nice to you. Then you will say, oh, my husband also nice.
Like, you're always, in my eyes, you're always foggy in my eyes.
Yeah.
Like, you're looking handsome. You are the most handsome.
Like this you say to your husband. Then he will be more nice to you. Then he will say that, oh, my husband is nice than me also.
Or else, if your husband not looking good, tell your husband to take a bath, then give new dress. Maybe. Maybe, kulang lang sa ligo. How to make your wife happy?
You should be more responsible as a father, as a husband, for everything. When family comes, all is not there for you. Only family is important. If family work is finished, then you go out, you do whatever you want. But thing is, the family responsibility, the family priorities is very important to provide. So that is very important in the relationship, or one good family or good environment. So I believe that you are not thinking about your family, you are not thinking the future of your kids, then I feel that you are not a good husband or a good father. So so as per me, thinking for the family,
Future
of the kids, providing priorities of the family, that is very important. Then your personal life, you know, I am not taking dress also for myself. I am thinking only the school fees, all these things.
Yeah.
For me, my wife is there. She will think, maybe someone is thinking. That is enough. That is the happiest moment for you. That is the good thing for you. But from you, what you can give to your family, what you can provide to your family, that is also very important.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Then,
That's it, guys. Thank you very much,
That-
and happy
that-
anniversary to us.
one more. You have a question to me?
My question to you is, when you are angry, don't say such words which will hurt someone.
It will come out on me whenever
Yeah, it is
angry.
coming out.
Because you cannot control that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
You also like that, no?
yeah, I'm also like that. So I should not tell this. I
But-
have to correct myself and
But
ask.
the good thing from us, for me, whenever you say something like not good to my ear, I will think that, oh, that's not real. Like, he told that because he's angry.
Yeah, that is what.
Yeah.
But
But I'm
next moment I will come back and tell her that I'm really sorry, because this is not by heart. Which one I'm saying, that is because of angry moment, heat of the moment, we call this.
Yeah, and then I will agree.
So in the good relationship, you should not take sudden decision.
Yeah.
You know, if you take sudden decision, so you will lose the person or you will lose the moment.
The
Good moment. Not only lose, if you are having kids, you will spoil the future of the kids.
Yeah.
That is really important in the relationship. You should be patient, you should talk, you should understand the problem, you should try to solve the problem, you should always talk each other about the problem
Yeah.
and try to find the solution. If you not get the solution, please, God is there,
Pray.
pray there.
Yes.
Everything is possible, nothing is impossible, everything is possible. Just believe on God, believe yourself, just do good things for your family. If you're not doing for yourself also, no problem. God is providing you, and you think for your family, God will think for you. That's it. Also, what is your advice to the wife who is watching here, especially your viewers? What is the advice who recently married or who already married and have a lots of kids? So what is your advice for them to become a good mother, good mother and good wife?
You know, there's no, walang perfectong magulang or walang perfectong asawa. Lahat tayo patuloy na natututo ba? If you feel that you're not a good wife, or sometimes you feel that you're not a good mother, that's okay. At least you try your best to be a good mother to your kids, and try your best to be a good wife to your husband. Whenever you say like hurting words to your husband, you should explain yourself. Like sometimes I say bad words also to meetings. Whenever I say bad words, I always express myself. And I'm like tired, I'm no sleep, and I'm having problem, I'm thinking too much. That's why maybe I say these words to you. But this is not by heart. So I'm sorry for that.
We talk each other about this, and it is getting resolved.
Try your best to be a good mom, to be a good wife, like your husband. Whenever your husband come from work, you should ask your husband, how are you? You want coffee? You want something? You want to eat anything?
Yeah, because the whole day I am so much exhausted from the work.
What you feel whenever I'm asking
Yeah,
you?
whenever she asks like that, this is the place I want to stay.
But there's a moment that I'm angry or annoyed. I'm not asking. But he will ask me, you want something?
It should be like that.
Yeah.
If you not ask your husband and he is from the work and he is tired from the work,
Yeah.
he face lots of persons. Angry, annoyed,
Yeah.
sometimes blah blah
Yeah.
blah.
Oh.
Sometimes the work is good,
Pressure.
sometimes pressure, sometimes happy,
Yeah.
sometimes unhappy, sometimes sad,
Mixed emotions.
mixed emotion. So you should have a feelings when after you come home, you should have a very nice feelings.
Yeah.
And that you should not continue to your home. When it is continue to your home, your day will be spoiled again.
Yeah.
So,
So whenever he entered the home, no, I'll always ask, how is your work? How is your tour? You want something? You eat already? Like that. And then he will say, what is there? Anything is there? Then yes.
mango there. I'm asking mango is there.
Mango is there or chapati is there. Then I said, okay, I'll prepare for you. Ibibigay ko na yung aking regalo, guys, sa aking mister. This is my anniversary gift, our 8 years anniversary gift. This is my, can you read the letter loudly?
Dear darling, always take care of yourself. We are always waiting for you to come home safely. Always pray whenever you are not okay at work. I love you so much, so much. Thank you for giving your best. July 2nd, 2024.
To provide.
To provide for our family. We love you, Papa Nitin.
Can you guess what is this?
Are you sure? What is this? Are you sure? You're not joking? Huh? You're not joking? Nice guys! I will go Goa now. Very nice. I'm really happy for...
You're taking the price.
I'm happy for this. Actually, whenever travel, I just want to watch or listen the songs. So, wow, nice.
Sa isang tanong or dalawang tanong na hindi namin nasagot ay pasensya na dahil ano yun guys, ayun yung kabilin-bilinan niya, ayaw niyang sagutin yun if may magtatanong.
Thank you very much and bye-bye and love you all. Always take care and take care of your family. Just be happy. Whenever problem comes, pray the God. Just believe on yourself. Love you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching us. I love you. Happy anniversary. Hope you like this gift.
Meron siyang pa-flower kahit isang piraso. Ano lang to guys, 10 rupees lang to. Pero kahit 10 rupees lang to very sweet, diba? Ito yung nagpapakilig sa akin na sinasabi ko sa vlog ko na meron daw siyang in-order na iririgalo niya sa akin sa araw ng anniversary namin. So ito na yun guys. Sana. Sobra talagang nagkakilig sa akin. At eto na yun. Osmo Pocket 3. So, umupo na nga ako para hindi ako mahirapan magbukas nitong box. Itong unang box ang aking titignan. Kaya to. Oh. Siguro case to nung camera. So, ito yung laman ng unang box. Ganda oh, hindi siya madulas. Ganda hawakan. Dito na tayo sa pangalawang. Ang ganda ng lagayan. Ang ganda ng lagayan guys oh. Ang ganda oh. Hindi rin siya madulas. So sa loob ng box ay ito na. Ay mas malaki siya no. Ay ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Hala nakakatuwa. Ang ganda oh. Tapos ito guys nagaganto siya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang bongga niya. Ang ganda, saktong-sakto lang talaga siya sa kamay. So, ito yung mismong camera, guys. Tapos, sunod, ano to? Ito ata yung mic. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung para saan yan. Sunod, hindi ko alam para saan to, guys. Baka battery. Extra battery. Hindi ko rin alam, guys, para saan to. Ayun, pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Kapag nagbablog, ang pinakagusto ng mga nagbablog, stand. Ang ganda ng stand, ang liit lang niya, tapos pwede mo siyang ilagay sa bulsa. Parang kasi laki lang siya ng daliri ko. First time kong magkakaroon ng mic. Ito. Para saan to? Bakit dalawa? Mamaya, basahin natin kung para saan ba yan. Tapos sunod. Ito. 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 Ito rin, isa rin ito sa gusto ko kasi nakaganon lang siya sa kamay mo para hindi mo siya mabitawan ba. Tapos, ito naman, para saan naman to? Para saan to? Okay. Baka dito siya. Eh, bakit may ganun? Pero ang tornilyo na ewan. Ano to? Ganito? Hindi ko alam paano to ikabit. Mamaya, manood tayo ng tutorial paano ba to ikabit. Ano to? Ito yung ano, yung lens ng ano, buksan natin. Lens ng camera. Ang galing. Lagyan natin dito baka magasgas. Meron pa rito. Tapos, ano to? Paano to? Hindi ko alam paano to gamitin guys. Pero alam ko parang mic din to eh. Paano kaya to gamitin? Wala na ata. Okay, wala na. Excited. Tsaka ang pinaka nakagustuhan ko kasi dito guys. Ito kasi pwede siya nakatayo. Tapos pwede siyang pag ganun.